Welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about M times N integration problem and how MCP provide solution for the same. Okay. Now let's see what is M into N integration problem or M times N integration problem. Okay. Let's imagine we have M different AI tools or AI applications that need to work with n external tools or data sources. Okay, without a standard, each AI application would need to build its own integration for every single tool. That means we are looking at m times n unique integrations. It quickly becomes unmanageable. Okay, for example, if you look at this here, we have 4 AI applications and 5 tools and data sources. Now, without MCP, without MCP, the burden falls entirely on developers because each AI application has to individually connect to each external system. This is not only expensive and time consuming, but it also creates ongoing headaches because every interface is different. Every change requires rework and maintaining compatibility across so many integrations becomes a nightmare. Okay. So now if you scale this out, multiple models on one side and multiple tools on the other, the number of connections grows exponentially. Okay. It's simply not sustainable. If you look at here, without MCP, the total integrations are 20. That is 4 AI models times 5 data sources equal to 20 custom integrations. Each integration requires custom development. For example, if you see here, ChatGPT to GitHub, ChatGPT Slack, ChatGPT database, ChatGPT Google Drive, ChatGPT Notion. Similarly, Claude to GitHub, Claude to Slack, Claude to database, Claude to Google Drive, Claude to Notion. Similarly, custom RAG, again 5 connections. AI agent, again 5 integrations. So this is kind of a nightmare. Why? Because you have to provide integration for each and every AI to rest all data sources or tools available. If at all, if you increase one more AI application, again you need 5 integrations for each tool or data source. Okay. So here we are not following any standardization and then exponential complexity. This is without MCP. If you don't have MCP or if you're not implemented MCP, MAA models into or times n data sources equal to m times n custom integrations. Okay. Now let's see how the MCP, that is model context protocol, is going to solve this m times n integrations problem. Okay. Now let's see. The model context protocol acts as a universal translator between AI models and external systems, similar to how USB-C standardized hardware connections. Instead of building m times n custom integrations, you can simply build m plus n standardized connections. If you look at here, AI models and MCP servers. Okay. Now what we are going to do here is we are providing a model context protocol, or we are using model context protocol as a middleware between these two. There is AI models and then MCP servers. So with this standardized protocol, that is MCP here providing standardized protocol, now each AI application just needs to implement MCP once as a client. Okay, as a client, and each tool or data source just needs to implement MCP once as a server. This transforms the problem from m times n integrations. Okay, this transforms the problem from m times n integrations to m plus n integrations. Okay, because of using MCP protocol, we are reducing the number of integrations. Okay, number of integrations, and then this drops the complexity dramatically, and development becomes more efficient, and maintenance cost reduce. Okay, now let me show you how the integrations happen when we use MCP protocol. Okay, now let me show you. So when we have a MCP protocol in between, what a model or a application is going to do is it's going to implement MCP once as a client. So the integration from here, and then again Cloud implements client once, custom rag implements client once, that is MCP client, a agent implement client once. So here four integrations, we have a four integrations. Now each tool or data source implements MCP as MCP server once. Okay, that means from here one connection, one integration, and then data server, database server integration, Google Drive, Notion server. So here we have a 5 integrations. So the total number of integrations here are 4 plus 5. Okay, equal to 9. So before, without using MCP, the total number of integrations are, if you see here, 20 custom integrations. Why? Because each AI tool is going to provide an integration for all available data sources. Here 5. Here the number of applications are 4. So the total number of integrations will become 4 into 5 equals to 20. Okay, so without MCP, we need to implement 20 custom integrations. With MCP, it's the number of custom integrations reduced from 20 to 9. Okay, so that's how MCP solves your m times n integration problem, and it gets changed to m plus n standard connections. Okay, so now let's see the key benefits of model context protocol. So with MCP, single protocol for all AI tool interactions, eliminating the need for custom connectors. That means with MCP, we have a standardization and scalability. So in terms of scalability, it's a linear growth instead of exponential integration complexity. Just now we have seen without MCP, it's a m times n, but with MCP, it's m plus n is. So let's say if you add one more AI application here, so the number of connections required when you use MCP is or just one. Why? Because let's say if I add one more AI tool here, let's say I added one more AI tool here, I simply need to provide connection or implement MCP once as a client. That's it. This AI application now can talk to any tool or data source with the help of MCP protocol. We don't need to provide any extra custom integrations. So that means we just added one more integration when you add extra AI application. But in case of without MCP, let's say if you not implementing MCP, let me show you. If you go here, so if you add one more AI application where you're not using any MCP, so if you add one extra AI here, we need to provide 5 integrations again, because this AA application needs to provide integration. That is, we should provide integration for GitHub, Slack, database, Google Drive, and then Notion. So 5 extra custom integrations if you add extra AA application. Similarly, if you add extra tool or data source, it's going to be 4 extra integrations. Okay, that's how our MCP solves the problem, that is M times n custom integrations to M plus n standard connections. Okay, now interoperability. So any MCP compatible AI can connect to any server, MCP server, without modification. Okay, and ecosystem. So we have this MCP is community driven development. Okay, so that we have many MCP servers available in open market. You can simply just get MCP server and then integrate with your AI application, or you can develop your own as well if it's not available. And then maintainability. Centralized protocol updates benefit all connected systems simultaneously. And efficiency. Faster development cycles and reduces integration overhead. Okay, now let's see how MCP works. MCP architecture consists of 3 main components: MCP host, that is AI applications, MCP server, tool connectors, and MCP protocol. Okay, let's take one real world example. Instead of building separate integrations for Cloud to GitHub, GPT to GitHub, and custom agent to GitHub, you can build one MCP GitHub server that all AI models can use through the standardized MCP protocol. Okay, so the impact of MCP. MCP transforms AI integration from a complex web of custom connections into a clean, standardized ecosystem. This reduces development time from weeks to hours and enables true AI interoperability across the industry. Just as HTTP enabled the modern web by providing a standard protocol for data exchange, MCP is positioned to enable the AI ecosystem by standardizing how AI models interact with the digital world. Okay, that's about impact. So here MCP hosts, these are AI applications like Claude, ChatGPT, or custom agents that need access to external tools and data. MCP servers, these provide standardized interfaces to specific tools or data sources. Example, GitHub, Slack, databases. And MCP protocol, the standardized communication layer that enables hosts, that is AI applications, to servers, that is tools or data sources, to interact seamlessly. Okay, that's about M times an integration problem and how MCP solves it. Okay, if you like video, please do like, share, and subscribe for more technical videos. Thank you for watching.